Hi guys, good morning. Today I brought you to the town of Kralupy, Vltavou. This town is very close to Prague, about 30 minutes train ride from Prague to come here. It's about 20 kilometers or thereabout. So I brought you to this town because it's a very, very interesting town that I think that we can find something interesting to check. So here today we are going to check we are going to find out what they've got going on in this town, which is a communal town. So most people who live here, because it is very close to the main city, Prague. So most people, or not most people, but a lot of people who live here do travel to Prague to work and then come back here. So it's a very nice, there is a direct means of transportation here. So you could come here in different ways, being it by bus, for example, train, obviously private cars. So right now I just arrived at the train station. So I'm going to just show you around. So I'm now inside the waiting hall of the train station. It's quite a very big and very clean, and you can see some shops and obviously where you buy the tickets and stuff like that. So now we try and go into the town and let's see what we are going to find. I just came out of the train station. Now I'm going to find out how to get to the town. How to get to the city center, because as you know, in Czech Republic, when you get to any town, the certain point, once you get out of the train or bus whatsoever, the next starting point is like at the city center. So I'm not sure how distant the city center is from here, but I'm going to find out right away. We are going to just look around what we are going to find, how this place looks. Prosím, já se dostanu na městě. Dobře. Je to daleko? Není to daleko. Už tam. Dobře, moc děkuju. So I was asking them how to get to the city center. So they said I'm already there. So now let us see. Now I'm actually at the town center. I can see the church because I knew that the church was somewhere in the city center here. So I can already see the church, and I can see some setups that you typically find in the city centers during at Christmas or close to Christmas time or close to any events. So I know that I'm already there. So let's keep on going. I am also interested in seeing what the streets and the shops are like here. So it's a very, very tall spire up there. That's a different side of the church. That's still the town hall, which we spoke about earlier. Now I'm looking to find out how we can get to other locations worth visiting. And it's really a very beautiful, it's really very nice weather today. I'm looking to see how I can get to, there is a very small house somewhere on the mountain. You probably can see the White House somewhere there on the mountain. I forgot exactly what it's called, but I would like to get there because from there I believe we can have a great view of this place. That's some beautiful statue. I don't know what it's all about. That's the church in the background still. Along streets, we might actually end up grabbing something to eat. There is really a lot of waters in this town. Now, I don't know if you can see both sides of the river. There is this side, then there is the other side. So in between is this demarcation where I'm standing now. One thing interesting to know about this river is that this river is called the River Vltava. In Prague also, the river in Prague is called River Vltava. So it's the same river. In the olden days, this river used to be like, this was like the source of income for the people of the town, as you can imagine. So the people of the town were into farming, into fishing and all, you know, all this kind of lively or this kind of activities until the expansion of the railway, which passed from Prague to, I think, to Kolín. And when the railway, you know, the construction of the railway came, kind of arrived here around, I believe, around the 19th century or something like that. So it kind of improved the economy of this place, as you can imagine. Then the place, they started like investing on expanding their sources of income, building factories, for example. There are quite a huge number of factories in this very town. And I believe there is, anyway, there are a lot of factories in this town. And from what I can see, it's a really very wealthy town. Also, if you consider the fact that the place is very close to Prague, you know, so like I stated earlier, some people who live here travel to Prague to work. So which makes it interesting because you enjoy, you know, living in a small town with the nature surrounding you, with the rivers around you. Also, you can travel to a big city to work, you know. So it's like both, you know, both worlds combined together. From what I can see, honestly, I would really like to continue to just get to the end of this very demarcation here. Unfortunately, I won't be able to do that, you know, so because I want to see if there are other things that we might need to see. So let's continue. This area is really very, very calming, honestly. This is like where, like I said earlier, in summer you will see people hanging around. If you look over there, you are going to see someone just lying under the tree and relaxing. So this is one of the reasons I came here, and you can see how beautiful the weather is. Finally, I'm now in the, so my train is coming at around, my train comes after 10 minutes and I will be going. I really had a lot of fun. I hope you enjoyed the trip. I'll be leaving now, so